What's up, everyone? It's your girl, Miss Daddabbo, and if you don't know, now you know. Today, we are going to test on out how we make immunocal in the Daddabbo household. And there's a little bit of tricks that I like to do to get these kids drinking it too. Welcome you to our team. So, you have most likely purchased the starter pack. That is why you are here today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So you got your box in the mail. It comes 2 to 3 days, right? You got your product. Now here I just have an example of the Sport, the Platinum, and the Classic, the regular. Okay, I personally take this, and I alternate. I tried the Sport, but I'm old-fashioned, been on the product for 15 years. And so I'm going to stick with this for now, okay? I love it, and I'm going to show you how to shake it on up. This is also what you should have received in your packet, in your starter pack, which is the portfolio. And it has lots of great information on it here. Nowadays, this is a gray color. It's a lot slicker and better. This is an old-fashioned one. So this is my portfolio, and I love it. I put my computer in there, I put all my details in there, and I hit the road. So today, I am going to show you how to shake up a blue, okay? We call them the colors too. So you have about 30 packs in here, and they're separated by these 3 columns, okay? So that kind of lets you know, when we are speaking. How much have you gone through? Well, I've gone through the first 2 columns, or I've gone through, or you can count it out. But what you always want to do before you shake the sun up is do this. Get all the powder to go to the bottom, okay? Because when you use the blue pack, more than likely, it's going to have a little bit of residue flowing through the air, and you don't want that to start to detox you immediately. It does sometimes, and you get watery eyes. So you want to make sure that you get it all down. All right, I'm going to use my new cup that I got, and I believe I got this when I was in Cali, okay, at a convention. So, well, I'm pretty sure you have a blue cup. They have done things differently. This is an old-fashioned cup. This is how you know the person has been within the company for years, if they pull out these white cups. So you're going to fill water just below this line right here. The bottom line, it's actually 30 milliliters, 1 ounce of water, okay? So you're gonna fill that up. I have cold water, spring water in this bottle, and there we go. I filled it up to the line, and you can do that by looking in. Now, if you have a blue cup, you might wanna use your cell phone to shine the light on through, and you can start to eye that, and you'll remember, you'll get used to it, where that little line is. Or you can get a medicine cup that is worth 30 milliliters and fill that up with water and dump it in. That's how my uncle does it. So I have my white cup. I filled it up with water, cold spring water, to this line. I got my scissors ready. After shaking this on down, you want to cut it, because when you rip it, the powder starts to go. So boom, here we go. I'm going to add it into the cup. Make sure you're putting the packet down into the cup so that it's not powder everywhere. There we go. Then we are going to place our cap on top, and then you are going to shake. You can feel it getting hot. Okay, that's about 15, 20 seconds. All right, it should look like such. Can you see it? Yes. So the powder then activated, and look, it's only to this line. It should stay at this line. Now, my daughter, 15 years old, gonna be 15, she will drink this just like this. Me, I've got to add something to it. So I can add orange juice directly to this cup, or apple juice. But lately, what I've been doing is putting a top on it, just like that, and placing it in the refrigerator. Oh, there goes my sloth. I'm gonna place that in the refrigerator for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Generally, I will place 2 cups in the refrigerator at nighttime. You have 12 hours to drink it. So I will place it in the refrigerator at night, have 2 cups ready full of water, and then I will just shake up my pack when I wake up in the morning, put it on, put it in there, and go through the door, okay? After putting it in this jug with my juice. So after that is done brewing, cooking, whatever you want to call it, after that is done, I am going to show you exactly what I do with my Immunical and how it helps me digest it easily without any foam. And it's also a good way to hide it from the children or anybody else that does not like to take a supplement or want to taste it because it looks funny or they don't like the foam, etc. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and they won't even know it's in their drink. Okay? Be right back. Okay, it's time to grab it off the refrigerator. Here we go. It's been about 12 minutes. So I'm just gonna pop the top. Now, dogs, animals, and plants have cells just like us. So don't let this go to waste. If you have a friendly pet or plant, you can dilute this into their bowl or into a spray bottle and spray your plants. Yes, it will work and you can visually see it, but it works 7 times faster than it does within our bodies. So this, you could just run some water right over it into the bowl for the for your furry pets, okay? Or you can use this as a facial, or you can put it on a scar or eczema or even in your hair. It works for all over the body, okay? This is food. It cannot hurt. Okay, so I can show you exactly what it looks like past the foam. Here we go. Ooh, it looks like apple juice. And so this is how you can drink it if you don't like the foam, or this is how you can sneak it into someone's drink, i.e. seniors that don't want the taste, or your kids. So here is my kids' cups. What I do every other day is when I give it to my children, I split 1 pack between my 3-year-old and my 5-year-old, who will be 6 very soon. So I just put half of this in there, pour it, and then I pour the other half into Savions. And then I mix the juice in here halfway. And you can pour as much juice as you'd like. But the key is they're not even gonna know the difference. All right? Even though my daughter is 5, she's been taking it since she was in the belly. She will ask me for her smoothie. That's what we call it. Then you just do this. Bam. My son, who is 3, doesn't even taste the difference. And he has also been taking it since in the belly. So you could do that, or same thing, pour your own glass. Pour yours right into the glass, and then pour your juice of your liking, apple juice, orange juice. These are the juices that you do not want to include in your cup. So do not use these because these have protein, digestive enzymes that break down proteins. So that's how I make it for my children and myself, but they're good to go. No complaints, and everyone is healthy. So if you have any questions, please comment and or ask below, and I will get right back to you. As always, we like to leave our disclaimer. Please read on the screen. That is our disclaimer. Please make sure that you do not share our videos on social media. These are for our private consultants only. Thank you. If you don't know, now you know. It's Miss Daddabbo. Have a good one.